This is your daily dose of cats. There seems to be a complication.
Hey, can I have your Cinnamon Toast Crunch Bar? Can I have it? Dude, give me the Crunch Bar.
A fat cat's belly is a trust test. If you're allowed to touch it, you're family. Break that trust, and the claws come out.
I made this cute little French chateau for my cat. I hope she likes it. I hope she likes it.
Some cats are sneakily smart. They learn your schedule, open doors, and follow command, but only when it benefits them.
What are you two doing?
Spying on neighbors.
What do you got in there?
We've got some Canadian contraband. It's called...
God. Oh, bro. Well.
Yep.
Get out of my hand!
Literal lunatics. Because I got the food.
Cats don't understand your words, but they definitely get your tone. Yell at them, and you might get a sulking, stressed out furball hiding under the bed. He doesn't like that there is a new cat in the house. She trained her to perfection.
Can we be friends? Please? Meow. Oh my god. I didn't even know there was a second one.
It was expected. Did you order Uber?
"君の虜になってしまえばきっ